Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this 4-foot table. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out. So let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. So here I am taking it out of the box. It pretty much comes assembled. All you have to do is take it out of the box and remove the plastic wrapper that is protecting it. And just like that, open it up and it is ready to be used. Next, I'm going to show you the portable feature. It actually has a little handle that sticks out from the side, which makes it easy to carry around with you, which makes it convenient to carry it from place to place. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is the bottom of the table. As you can see, it has a honeycomb design. Right here, this is the middle. You can actually see where it folds. Now the legs tuck in. It does have this safety feature, so you could go ahead and lock it into place. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the legs up. I did want to show you right here. As you can see, it has 3 holes, so you are actually able to adjust the legs. So you could adjust the height of the table. All right, so I locked both of the legs into place. I actually have them at the highest setting, but you can make the table shorter or longer by adjusting both of the legs. I also made sure to lock it into place, so it's not going to be closing up on me. So let me go ahead and get this flipped over and then I will show you what it looks like. Here I'm giving you a closer look as to what this table looks like. It's actually very sturdy. As you can see, it has the triangular corners here just for stability. Now I am panning over to the legs. As you can see, it has little non-slip foot covers. So this is going to prevent it from shifting around. Now the middle section, this is where the safety lock is located. Here's a quick glance as to what the table looks like. It is at the highest setting. And this is another look at that heavy duty top. As you can see, I have the table laid out and it's actually quite tall. This table, you could put up to 330 pounds of weight on it. It is actually very sturdy. It could be used indoors or outdoors. I'm actually setting this up because we're going to be doing a garage sale. So I am ready with this table, but the great thing about this table is that it is portable and it is not very heavy. It is actually pretty easy to carry and travel with. I like that it folds so it does not take up a lot of space. You could put it in a closet, you could put it in your pantry, you could put it in your trunk. You could definitely put this table anywhere and take it along with you. This table is available also in the color black. So I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.